If you wanna delete a Discord server that you own or created, you're in luck. The process is extremely simple and can be often completed less than a minute. If you are not the admin of the server, you cannot delete it, but don't worry, it has also a solution for that. First, what you need to do is to click on the three dots line on your left upper side. Then you need to choose the server that you wanna delete it. For example, this is my server and I'm gonna hold on it and go more options. After that, I'm gonna go on settings. Then turn it up on your three cogs on your right upper side. Then go delete server. Go on delete. Okay, now you can tell about more for this deleting, but it's not mobile. Now, for example, I will choose a server that it's not mine, that has another admin. For example, this one. Now I'll go on these sites, and then as you can see I have no settings option because I'm not the admin of the server. But now I have an option to leave the server. I will go on it, leave server, and that's it. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure that you hit that like and share the video. Comment down below. See you soon guys.